Hi,
Hi, sir.
how are you?
I'm good, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Vinit, sir.
Vineet? Okay. Vineet, I'm fond of asking one question because of my own experience in life. When I was in school, long ago, I never used to like mathematics.
You can see why, sir.
You can see that, is there? It's
Yes.
written here.
Yes, no, sir. It's very common to not.
It's
like
very
mathematics.
common.
Yes, sir.
It's very common. Now, but do you like mathematics?
Yes, sir. I love it.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
See, when I am asking him, do you like mathematics? He says, I love mathematics. Okay. Now, Vineet, you should be very, very frank with me.
Of course, sir.
Right? Tell me why you love mathematics.
I love mathematics because to every problem there's a solution. In my life, I apply this to everything. If I get stuck in a problem, I just don't give up. I have to find a solution to get out of the problem. That's why I love mathematics.
Now, I'm sure, my dear students, did you watch what he said? When he gets struck, he doesn't give up. Alright?
Yes.
Now, Vineet, believe me when I say, I did not do this when I was studying. So, when I get struck, I left that and went to some other problem. The net result is, I never scored highest mark. Of course, I am not a failure, about 40-50%. But this is very, very interesting. When you get struck, don't give up. Okay, that is one tip. One more.
Don't think of mathematics just as a subject you have to learn. You are not a machine. You have to be somewhat practical with mathematics. You need to learn by your own way. No one can teach you mathematics how you can teach yourself mathematics. Just practice and find different approaches to problems.
Okay. Okay, so that means there is no common pattern to learn mathematics. Every person should find his own way, right, to learn mathematics. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. Now, tell me, in your life, was there a time when that day you can say you started loving mathematics?
Yes, sir.
And how did it happen?
One of my teachers, Miss Mallory, she's not here currently, but she taught me mathematics in a unique way. She was very practical and frank about mathematics. I liked it, so I started falling in love with mathematics.
Okay, so a teacher made a big difference
Yes.
in your life. Student, this is a very good lesson for all of you. Love your teacher. And you love the subject she is teaching. Okay? Now, last but not the least question. I hope it's not going to be a confidential question to you. Right? How many hours you work on maths on an average in a week? Please understand. Monday through Saturday. So, how many hours you work on an average per week on mathematics?
You don't have to put many hours in mathematics to get good at it. You just have to practice a little bit, but it should have big impact in your studies. So I would say about 6 to 7 hours.
6 to 7
Yes,
in a week.
in a week.
In a week. Okay. Now, do you work out mathematics or you memorize?
You have to work out mathematics. You can't memorize mathematics.
Is it?
It doesn't work that way.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
Oh, this is where I failed. I was memorizing as though it is a poem. I was memorizing as though it is a history. You had to work out. Right? Okay. We have morning till night, the whole night is there. Which part of the day or night you allocate for mathematics?
It has to be the night, sir.
Night.
I am not a morning person, sir.
Is it? You are not a morning. So you are a night owl.
Yes.
Up to what time you study?
11.
11 o'clock. What time you get up?
6:37.
6:37 o'clock. Okay. Vineet, I am very, very happy you spared this much time. And what is your message to your other students so that they also score good marks in mathematics? Let that be your new year message for every of your students.
Don't get demotivated if you didn't score good marks. You can do it. Just keep practicing and don't give up.
Okay. All the best, Vineet. 2021 was a terrible year. Right? Let's both of us join and wish them all the very best in 2022. All the best. All the best, my dear students and parents and all. Happy Christmas and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Happy Pongal also.
Happy Pongal,
Happy
yes.
Pongal also. All the best. Thank you.
அம்பசடர கற்கவா கணினியின் வழியே அறிவின் மொழியே நுட்பமாய் கற்கவா
இசை நடனம் தற்காப்பு கலைகள் யோகாவும் நாம் கற்கலாம் வாழ்வில் முன்னேறும் நெறிகள் யாவுமே பயிலலாம்
ஆற்றல் அது கொண்டு ஏற்றம் பல கண்டு கனவை நிறைவாக்கி ஜெயித்திடவா திரும்பும் திசை எங்கும் திறமையது மின்னும் வித்தை பழகிட வழியுண்டு வா ABS இது அறிவின் உலகம் ABS இது வெற்றியை எழுதும் ABS இது பல்கலை தோட்டம் ABS உரைப்பாரினில் உயர்த்தும்
CBSE பாடத்திட்டத்தில் சேர்ந்து பயில ABS வித்யா மந்திர் திருவள்ளூர்.